We mixed castor oil and baking soda to treat 19 health issues. I'm about to share an age-old secret that has been used by generations to address 19 common health issues, quickly and naturally. This isn't some modern health trend or expensive remedy. It's the simple, yet powerful combination of castor oil and baking soda, two ingredients that are probably already in your home. Whether you're struggling with persistent joint pain, skin irritations, digestive discomfort, or even stubborn inflammation, this remedy might hold the answers you've been searching for. Together, they create a natural powerhouse for healing. In just 48 hours, you could see remarkable results. From boosting your immune system to relieving everyday aches, this duo has been praised by old-school doctors for a reason. Stick around, because the last tip might surprise you the most. Imagine you've had a long day. Your joints are aching, your skin's acting up, or maybe your stomach feels off. Then someone says, "Hey, try this old remedy, it works wonders." That's how castor oil and baking soda often come into the picture. Castor oil has been around for ages. Made from castor beans, it's packed with anti-inflammatory and healing properties. People use it for all sorts of things: soothing arthritis pain, making hair grow thicker and shinier, and even clearing up stubborn skin issues. Now, baking soda might seem like an odd partner for castor oil, but they're a dynamic duo. Baking soda isn't just for baking cakes or keeping your fridge fresh, it's amazing at balancing pH levels. Ever had heartburn? A pinch of baking soda in water can work wonders. It's also great for exfoliating your skin or calming an itchy rash. My cousin once used a baking soda paste to ease a bee sting. It worked like a charm. So, what happens when you mix these two? Some people say you've got a natural powerhouse. For instance, they'll tell you to make a paste and apply it to sore muscles or swollen joints. Others use it as a poultice, where they soak a cloth in castor oil, sprinkle baking soda on top, and wrap it around the problem area. They believe this combo can detoxify the body, reduce pain, and even speed up healing for minor cuts and bruises. But don't take this advice above your doctor's word. Although this combination can work wonders, these claims are not always backed by science and results can vary. Please keep it in mind. It's amazing how something as simple as castor oil and baking soda can inspire so many stories. Who knows? Maybe they'll play a role in your own health journey today. Let's dive in and discover the magic these two can create together. Improve skin health and healing. Let me tell you a little secret about castor oil and baking soda. They're like a dynamic duo for skin health and healing. Imagine you've got a stubborn scar, dry patches, or maybe even an itchy rash that won't go away. Instead of running to the pharmacy, many people turn to this natural remedy. Castor oil is the hero here. It's packed with fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. Think of it like giving your skin a deep, soothing drink of hydration. That's the magic. It helps the skin regenerate faster and keeps it soft and supple during the process. Now, baking soda. While it might not sound glamorous, it's a gentle exfoliant. It helps remove dead skin cells, balances pH levels, and even calms irritation. When you combine the two, it's like creating a skin repair powerhouse. For small wounds, you can mix them into a paste and apply it directly to the affected area. The castor oil keeps the skin hydrated and fights inflammation, while the baking soda gently cleanses and promotes healing. It's no wonder people love this combo. It's simple, natural, and effective. Of course, everyone's skin is different, so always test a small area first. But who knows? It might just become your go-to remedy for healthy, glowing skin. Natural relief for joint and muscle pain. Castor oil and baking soda can naturally ease joint and muscle pain. It's like having a soothing balm right at home. Picture this. After a long day, your back or knees are aching, and you just want some relief. That's where this simple combination comes in. Castor oil is the star player here. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. When you massage it into sore joints or muscles, it doesn't just sit on the surface, it penetrates deeply, helping to reduce swelling and pain. My uncle, who struggles with arthritis, swears by castor oil. He says it makes his knees feel more flexible and less stiff after a gentle rub down. Now, add baking soda into the mix. Known for its alkalizing effect, baking soda can help relax tense muscles and neutralize acidity in the body, which some believe contributes to inflammation. Imagine making a paste of these two ingredients, applying it to your sore spots, and letting nature do its work. One popular method is the castor oil pack. Soak a cloth in castor oil, sprinkle some baking soda on top, and wrap it around the aching area. Cover it with plastic and a warm towel to help the mixture penetrate. Many say this simple remedy works wonders overnight. Of course, results vary from person to person, but it's a natural, side effect-free alternative worth trying. If you're dealing with chronic pain, you might just find this a relaxing and effective solution to keep you moving comfortably. Eye irritation. We all know how annoying and uncomfortable it can be when your eyes start to itch, water, or become red and irritated. Whether it's from allergies, a long day staring at a screen, or just a lack of sleep, eye irritation can be incredibly bothersome. This is where castor oil comes to the rescue. It may sound surprising, but castor oil has been used for eye irritation for years. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and calm the eye area. A few drops in the corner of your eyes, after ensuring the castor oil is sterile, can help. Soothe that itchy, tired feeling. I remember my brother had an eye infection a few years ago. His eyes were red and swollen from the irritation, and he used castor oil to relieve the discomfort. He'd apply a tiny drop before bed, and within a few days, the irritation started to subside. But it's not just castor oil on its own. Baking soda also plays a role in soothing eye irritation, albeit indirectly. When mixed with warm water, it can be used as a compress around the eyes to reduce puffiness and inflammation. You could soak a cotton ball or a soft cloth in the solution and gently apply it to your closed eyes. This combo can help ease the strain of long hours at a computer or a restless night's sleep. Together, these two simple ingredients work as a natural remedy to help your eyes feel refreshed and comfortable once again. Wound healing. Imagine you've got a small cut or scrape, one of those that just won't seem to heal quickly no matter how many days pass. It can be frustrating, right? But here's where the magic of castor oil and baking soda comes in. Castor oil, loaded with nourishing fatty acids, has a special ability to create a barrier that locks in moisture, preventing the wound from drying out and becoming more irritated. It also offers antibacterial properties that protect the cut from infection, making it a natural protector for your skin. Now, add a pinch of baking soda into the mix. Baking soda works as a gentle cleanser that helps maintain a balanced pH level around the wound, which is crucial for effective healing. When combined, castor oil and baking soda create a powerful, soothing paste that promotes healing and minimizes the risk of infection. Have you ever cut your finger while chopping vegetables? You probably remember how long it took to heal and how frustrating it was. Now, imagine this. Before going to bed, you mix a little baking soda with some castor oil, gently apply it to the cut, and cover it with a bandage. The next morning, you will wake up to a pleasant surprise, less swelling, reduced redness, and your wound already looking so much better. It's like giving your healing process a little boost. This duo works by nurturing the skin, reducing inflammation, and providing a protective layer that prevents further damage. Unlike chemical-based creams, this is a gentle and all-natural approach to help wounds heal faster and more efficiently. So, next time you have a minor cut, try the castor oil and baking soda combo. It's a simple, non-toxic remedy that speeds up recovery while helping to keep your skin healthy and strong. Improve blood circulation and stimulate lymphatic drainage. Ever notice that sluggish feeling, like your body's just dragging after a long day of sitting or standing? Poor circulation and stagnant lymphatic drainage could be the culprits. But here's where the magic of castor oil and baking soda steps in. Castor oil, packed with ricinoleic acid, is an anti-inflammatory powerhouse that stimulates blood flow when massaged into the skin. As you gently rub it in, it warms up, boosting circulation and helping reduce stiffness or swelling in your muscles. Now, when you add baking soda to the mix, you've got a powerful duo. Baking soda helps reduce fluid retention and supporting the lymphatic system to flush out toxins more effectively. I remember one time, after a long flight, my legs were swollen and I felt heavy. I mixed castor oil with a little baking soda, massaged it into my calves, and let it sit. After resting for a while, I noticed a dramatic decrease in swelling and felt so much lighter. It was like a refreshing reset for my body. Using this combo regularly helps keep your circulation and lymphatic system working at their best. It's a great way to feel energized, and with consistent use, it can help you stay balanced and refreshed, even on your busiest days. This natural remedy can leave you feeling revitalized, and it's something simple you can incorporate into your routine to help your body move and flow better. So, if you're feeling sluggish or dealing with stiff muscles, try this castor oil and baking soda mix and experience the difference yourself. Pain in the ear. Ear pain can be a relentless and uncomfortable experience, whether it's caused by an infection, inflammation, or even pressure changes. Fortunately, castor oil and baking soda provide a soothing remedy that works wonders for alleviating ear pain. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which helps reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and improve circulation. When massaged gently around the outer ear, it promotes blood flow, reducing discomfort. Baking soda helps reduce swelling and discomfort. The combination of these two ingredients provides a gentle yet effective way to relieve ear pain. Simply apply the mixture around the ear, avoiding direct contact with the ear canal, and let the soothing properties of castor oil and baking soda work to ease the pain. It's a natural solution that can offer significant relief without the need for medications or harsh chemicals. Regular use of this combination may also help improve overall ear health by reducing inflammation and promoting quicker healing. Insect bites and skin irritation. Insect bites and skin irritation are common problems